reality. Which one? The one who knows.
That's the man who sold the world. That's the girl who danced and twirled. This is the car that I wanna buy. This is the bird that can't fly. Where is the book which I gave to you? The defining clause makes it clear and true. Pronoun. Yes, if it's the object, the man I saw, the book I read, benign.